Hello everyone, it's John the Don and I'm bringing you another sneaker unboxing. These dropped yesterday. Today is October 1st. These dropped September 30th. How do I have them? No, I didn't get them on Foot Locker. I was lucky enough to get them on the sneakers app on a shock drop I think it was like 2 to 3 weeks ago. Anyways, on to these sneakers. So these for me were a must-have. Little side story. I've owned the, I believe it's 2008 pair, and I've also owned the 2013 pair. So I just had to get these because I no longer own them. I sold them, etc. So anyways, on to the sneaker. It's, the more modern Jordan box. Nothing special on it. Regular, whatever. But the shoes, that's what has it for me. See, these things are fresh in my opinion, and they're a must-have in a collection. I know not a lot of folks like 8s, but I'm a big 8s fan. I've been sneaker dealing and collecting since 2010, so I've been around for a little time. I'm not an OG sneakerhead, but I've had a lot of OG shoes back in the days. So these were a must-have. Now, comparing these to the 2013 pair, this part right here, which the midsole, instead of that black with that glitter tone on it, 2013 had more of a grayish. Still had a little glitter feature, but it was just like gray. These, they feel more heavier. So with that being said, they use higher quality materials to make these bad boys. These resemble the 1993 pair because of this little red heel tab right there. The 2013, the heel tab was black, so that was the difference on that. But yeah, man, if you guys are thinking about copying these shoes and you're a real Jordan head, man, don't sleep. That's all I gotta say. If you're worried about quality, these things right here have it. As for comfort, I'm not sure yet. Clearly I haven't undestocked them, but I will soon. I didn't cop these to resell. I copped these for personal, so when I do wear them, I'll drop a little video on my on feet, probably the drip that I got on to go with these, and yeah. But if you haven't yet, please like, share, and subscribe my videos, man. Come on, I'm putting in this work, showing y'all some drip, showing y'all some content, trying to show y'all some love and just keep it more consistent. I'm a real damn busy fella when it comes Monday through Friday, so on the weekends I try to put in a little work on YouTube. But yeah, thank you folks.